Hello and welcome. Learning Outcome 1. Understand the purpose and types of coding. Today, we'll explore the essence of coding in the digital world, including the basics of programming and website design, and see how coding powers everyday applications. The aim of this unit is to help you grasp the basics of program and application development. It covers the essentials of website design. Understanding these processes is crucial for anyone entering the field. This knowledge forms the foundation of coding skills. Let's dive into the specifics. Programming languages come in various forms. High and low-level languages serve different purposes. Procedural languages like C and Python solve specific problems. Object-oriented languages such as C and Java offer flexibility. Markup languages like HTML are essential for web development. When comparing programming languages, several factors stand out. Consider hardware and software requirements. Performance and preferred application areas are crucial. Development time and ease of development also play a role. Each language has its unique strengths and limitations. JavaScript and C are similar but distinct. C is a lower-level language, closer to machine code. Python, JavaScript, and Java share similarities in usage. PHP stands out with its unique syntax. Transitioning between similar languages is often seamless. High-level languages are user-oriented. They simplify the process of coding algorithms. Low-level languages are machine-oriented. They focus on machine operations required for tasks. This distinction is vital for understanding programming. JavaScript is central to web application development. It allows for both front-end and back-end solutions. Java and Python excel in system programming. C remains the top choice for software development. Each language serves specific development needs. Python is the go-to language for AI and machine learning. Its data analysis capabilities are unmatched. Python's popularity stems from its big data applications. It is a powerful tool in AI development. Understanding Python is crucial for AI enthusiasts. SQL is the standard for database development. It is widely used among developers. SQL's structured approach is key to managing data. Understanding SQL is essential for database management. It remains a cornerstone in programming. Familiarizing yourself with programming terminology is important. Terms like procedural, object-oriented, and event-driven are common. Understanding these terms aids in grasping programming concepts. Terminology is foundational in learning coding. It helps bridge the gap between theory and practice. Numerous resources are available for learning programming. Books and online courses provide valuable insights. Ebooks and journals offer in-depth knowledge. Exploring these resources enhances understanding. Continuous learning is key to mastering coding. Assignments are crucial for applying learned concepts. They should be submitted within 2 weeks. Email submissions are accepted at the provided address. Assignments reinforce coding skills. They are an integral part of the learning process. This resource is brought to you by UKversity Online. It includes third-party materials where specified. UKversity reserves all rights to its content. Reproductions must comply with licensing terms. Explore further resources for comprehensive learning. Machine code is the lowest level of programming. It consists of binary digits, ones, and zeros. Understanding machine code is crucial for low-level programming. It is the foundation of all programming languages. Mastery of machine code aids in advanced coding. Transitioning between similar programming languages is often easy. Familiarity with one language aids in learning another. Similar syntax and usage reduce the learning curve. Understanding core concepts is key to transitioning. This flexibility is a benefit in programming. Web development relies heavily on JavaScript. It is essential for creating dynamic websites. HTML and CSS complement JavaScript in design. Understanding these languages is crucial for web developers. They form the backbone of web development. Programming requires specific hardware and software. Devices must support the chosen programming language. Compatibility ensures smooth development processes. Special devices may be needed for certain applications. Understanding device requirements is crucial for developers. In conclusion, we've explored the fundamentals of coding and web development. Grasping programming languages and understanding their real-world applications is essential, as this knowledge forms the foundation for all successful coding projects. With these insights, you're better equipped to create, innovate, and build in the digital world. For any inquiries, please contact us on WhatsApp at 074-8436-1688. We appreciate your attention and look forward to the next session.